Gold this week has started with this bearish candle. If you have watched the previous week analysis, after these three candles has been formed, I have said that I am more inclined to see the price going further down, and this is happened on a Monday. The price reached the support level 2878.61 and bouncing from this area of support, forming almost a bullish engulfing candle. This bullish candle has been formed, and inside the daily analysis I have shared every day in the week, starting from Tuesday, I mentioned that I am expecting that the price will continue to rise in value, reaching this area of resistance 2927.76 because of this bullish candle. And we can see the price on a Tuesday formed, or sorry, on a Wednesday, the price has formed this bullish breakout. After this bullish breakout has been formed, I have also said I am expecting that the price will reach 2952.97, the resistance level, and then we will see what happens. We can see the price forming a strong bullish candle going even further up, and we can see the price has reached 3005.07 price level, which is all-time high price level. The price has bounced on a Friday from this area of resistance. We can see that the price going further down. Weekly shows us we are currently in the bullish breakout. We are bullish oriented, so I'm still expecting the price will try to reach higher price levels. Monthly, it is a bullish. We can see that clearly. We have 2 more weeks until this month closes, so we'll see how the price will behave around this area of resistance and support where the price currently is. But everything still is pointing that we will see the price going further up. So we are in the bullish breakout on the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, we are in between the resistance and the support level. We can see it is a pretty wide area between this area of resistance around 3037 and 2952. So on the 4-hour time frame, we will have much more clear information because we have support and the resistance levels that will show us where the price could stop. We can see that 3000 is the next resistance level that is currently holding, and below that it is around this area here. It is around 2979. I will need to fix this one because this is not on the right spot. Let's do this immediately, because this is currently this demand zone where the buys are waiting, and also it is a support. And we can see currently the price has returned back inside this uptrend channel where we have a confluence of support for now for the price. How the price will behave around this area of support, then we will see. But everything still points me that we will see the price going even further up. But unless I see the price forming a bullish breakout going further up, just a minute, I need to fix this one, the supply demand zone here, because I have just moved the price level. Here it is. Yep, much better. We will see how the price will behave, and we can see that on the 4-hour time frame, the price at the support 2978.64 is something that we can also be aware of. Now, what we can see and also what we can predict for the next week. This is 1-hour time frame where I would like to see the price going again further up above 2988.48. This is the next resistance level that needs to be broken in order to allow the price going even further up. We can see that clearly. 4-hour time frame also shows that 3000 is the next resistance level, that is showing that this needs to be broken in order to allow the price from going further up. The daily time frame shows me that we are currently in the bullish breakout, and it is indecision on the market currently on a Friday. So what could happen? It could happen that the price drops down, but for now I'm waiting outside of the market. It's not very clear currently where the price could go. Will it retrace back down to 2952.97, or it will continue to rise in value? 4-hour time frame also do not show me very clear information because it is at the confluence of support. 1-hour time frame also shows me that we are at the very important support where the price could not manage to make a bearish breakout going below even further up. So it's very important support level here where the price currently is, and we need to wait outside of the market to see where the price could go. When the market makes a move, which means if the price makes a bearish breakout below 2978, this will suggest further decline in value where the price will try to reach in the area here a support and then further down. But if the price managed to go up, going up above 2988.48, this will suggest that the price will try to reach again 3000 as a round number. So these bullish and bearish breakouts I will share inside the premium analysis with the traders as I have done this week. So feel free to check and also join if you would like to receive these updates. For now I am still bullish oriented, but I am waiting to see how the price will behave around this price level, where the price currently is. We will see on a Monday how the price and also how the market will react. When the breakout happens, bullish or bearish, I will follow the market and also inform the traders inside the premium analysis. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.